welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been able to tell by the outfit I'm wearing, I'm going hiking today. So today is going to be a vlog of me hiking through Østmarka. It's this really big nature preserve just south of the big city of Oslo. So let's get going and have some fun. First things first, I hopped on a bus and train to get out of the big city and out to Østmarka. Once there, I began my long hike to visit all the lakes in the reserve. At the first lake, which is Østmarka, this lake seemed especially popular with swimmers, boaters, and paddleboarders. Got my lunch here, water and PB&J. After spending some time at the first lake, I made my way to the second. So you have all these markers that tell you you're going the right way on the trail, so you don't get lost. Just hiking through Østmarka. This one is Østmarka. It's really nice here. Østmarka was probably my favorite lake of the trip, but we still had two more to visit. On the way was the old home of Sorabotn. It used to be a summer home for Norwegian families coming up to Østmarka for their summer vacations. The next lake on the hike was Haukstjern. It was one of the lakes up on top of the mountains. After hiking down the mountain, I arrived at Mariholt Lake. Welcome to Mariholt Lake. Hey guys, so I tried to go swimming in the water, but turns out there's a lot of fish in there and I got a little scared. So I think I'm just going to be chilling outside of the water for now. After wading in the waters of Mariholt Lake, I decided to go to the other end of the lake to check out the dam. Hiking along. This side of the lake was for drinking water only, so no swimming allowed. Alright, so the dam was the last stop on our tour today of Østmarka. Thanks so much for watching today's vlog, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye guys!